What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And this video is going to be on why ClickBank sucks for newbies. So many people have hit me up about ClickBank, like, hey, does it really work? I've been posting in groups, I've been posting in forums, I've been posting on YouTube comments, I've been posting, in different categories. I've been doing this, I've been doing that, and that. Like, I just can't get any sales no matter what I do. I've been posting and posting and posting and posting and posting, and I just cannot get any sales, right? Now, the reason why a lot of people can't get any sales is because it's right there in the name. Like, you're trying to get sales. If you do something like CPA, which I always recommend before doing something like ClickBank, when you are promoting something that people have not heard of, it's a brand they don't know, what's the first thing they're going to do? All right. So let's say we go over here, right? Let's say we go to the Facebook group. And let's say I see you promoting this offer on weight loss or an offer on making money or whatever the case may be, whatever the product is, right? Let's say I see your little ad or whatnot. I go through, I click your ad, I go to the sales page, yada yada yada. I go through. I'm like, oh, okay, this might be really nice. This might be something I'm looking for, right? So what do? I go to Google, type in the name of the product, close out your page, and then I'll just go to YouTube, watch a video on it, might not take action, might not buy it right away, might come back a few days later when I see that YouTube referred another video that was on that same product or whatever. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm just going ahead and pick the product up, right? Now I closed out your page days ago or hours or minutes or however long it was ago, right? But the person on the YouTube video has theirs or the website or wherever it is, they have their affiliate link in the description or, in the blog post or wherever it is. So I click that link instead, and then I go purchase it, and that person makes money because you were basically promoting, you're promoting the same product. And since you don't have a review video or something like that, you just lost a sale. Right. And a lot of new people, they don't want to get in front of the camera. They don't want to order something and test it out and do a review on it. They don't want to do any of that. They just want to post in Facebook groups, post on YouTube channels, leave like just easy, basic stuff. That's what they want to do, right? And don't get me wrong, that does work, but you lose a lot of sales when you just simply do that because again, all someone has to do is type in the name of it, and there's going to be a review on it, or something along those lines, right? And then if there's a review on it, let's say it's negative reviews. Let's say you're promoting a product, let's say like this MI40 stuff right here, right? Let's say you go and promote that. Let's say it was just absolutely horrible. People will look up the reviews. Oh, this was bad. This was this. This was that. This didn't work. Had bad information. Whatever the case may be, right? So that right there can be another reason on why you're not getting any sales and stuff. But the main thing is like you're skipping step one. Right? This is the biggest problem that a lot of people are going. You shouldn't be doing anything that requires you to get sales or any MLMs or anything like that, or even in the making money online opportunity. This is just my opinion, but that's just what I would recommend. Going to a different niche and do CPA marketing if you are a brand new person, because then you don't have to worry about getting any sales. But you're skipping step one. When you're a brand new person and you jump right into ClickBank, you are literally skipping step one, right? Or even two steps if you want to, break it down that way. So you need a course. And you also need to learn how to get leads. How can you get leads if you don't know? How can you get sales if you don't know how to get leads? Boom, right there. That tells you right there that you literally skip step one. It's like, look at it like this. It's like let's say you go to the movie theater and you show up, halfway into the movie, right? You go in, you sit down, half of the movie's already started, right? You are completely lost. Now, as time goes on and you're watching the rest of the movie, you are able to, start getting pieces and start putting stuff together or whatnot. But wouldn't it have been way easier to understand what was happening if you simply got there at the start of the movie? Same thing with this, guys. You got to get a course. You got to learn how to get leads, and all that stuff before you jump into trying to get sales. Because again, how can you get sales if you don't even know how to get leads? Because it's easier to get leads. Like literally in CPA marketing, someone can put in, their name, their phone number, and like maybe an address or something like that, and you'll get paid like $3 or something like that for it. And that doesn't sound like a lot, but it really does add up. Like my first $100,000 came from an offer that paid out $1.35. So trust me, guys, that really does add up. Right. So if you're a brand new person, you got to stay away from MLMs. You got to stay away from the making money online niche. You got to stay away from ClickBank. You got to stay away from all these places that require you to actually get sales, especially if you don't have a budget. Because if you don't have a budget, you're going to be doing the same thing that everyone else is doing. You're going to be going to Facebook groups, and odds are you're going to be in the making money online niche. I don't know why everyone goes directly to the making money online niche. Like, I mean, the making money online niche, you literally cannot do business with 99% of people. Like, in some ways I consider it, like, I wouldn't say it's a waste of time, but it kind of is if you're a brand new person. Like, if you don't have a following, if you don't have a presence, if people don't know you, if you don't have your Facebook page set up to where you are making money, if you aren't running, the program or whatever it is, like exclusively, let's say it's a product on ClickBank, and they're going over how to make money, stuff like that. Let's say you go through the course, and then, like, let's say you buy it, you go through it, and you actually start making money with it. Then you promote that course. That's gonna make you money because you're a testimony. You got your testimonial, you got your reviews, you got your your payment proof, you got everything you need. But a lot of people aren't going to do that. They're not going to spend any money on education. It's crazy, but I mean, it really is. That's just how it goes. People refuse to spend even $20, $30 on a basic course to just learn some simple stuff. Like everything on YouTube, there are videos and there's content and there's stuff out there that's not going to be for free. It's just that simple. Like, that's why it costs thousands of dollars for that content. You're not going to get it for free on YouTube, and not to mention people don't value free. So even if you see something that's going to potentially make you thousands upon thousands of dollars, odds are you're not going to take action on it because it was free. Like, this is the craziest thing ever. People spend all day long, like running around like a chicken with his head cut off, just running all around just to find stuff, in courses and stuff that's 100% free, just to not use it when they find it because it was free. People do not value free. It's just that simple. But that's pretty much it, guys. That's why ClickBank sucks for new people. That's why your stuff probably isn't converting, because you don't know how to market. So focus on something like CPA marketing, get a course, learn how to get leads. Then step two is to get sales and stuff like that. Or you can go directly into it. Don't get me wrong. You can jump directly into ClickBank and stuff like that. But with that, again, you need a course. Buy a course. Don't be cheap, and all that stuff. Like, I mean, literally a course might be like 50 to 100, $200 or something like that. And odds are you're going to make way more than that. Like, I don't think there's been like any courses that I've bought, like any good, genuine good courses or whatever, that I didn't make like a couple hundred times what I put into it. Like, I mean, it's easy money, guys. Like, it's amazing what people put out there for other people. Like I say, affiliate marketers are like some of the most generous people out here. Right, like take Team DeAngelo for example. I've spent thousands upon thousands of dollars on courses, and I've gone through and done all this stuff and got my own experience and the whole 9 yards. And then, after months and months and months, of testing and all that, then I'll take that information, of my own information, put it in the course for my Team DeAngelo members for like $100. Or like if they're on level 2, like $500. And I literally might spend like 20, 30, $40,000 on a campaign and give them all that data. Right? Affiliate marketers are some of the most, just great people out here and whatnot. But as you guys can hear, I'm getting another phone call, so I'm going to wrap it up. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you got any questions, simply drop down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe.